Dear colleagues, dear participants, I'm pleased to welcome you on International Conference of Young Mathematicians. First of all, I would like to express our certain gratitude of armed forces of Ukraine. Thanks of their courage and dedication, we are able to continue our science work and to hold this conference even in such difficult time. This year, the conference is held in a hybrid format, and it brings together participants from different countries, from different cities. And I thank all of participants here in the Institute of Mathematics and online participants because all of you are part of our scientific community, our community of our conference. And now I would like to give the floor to academician of National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine, Director of Institute of Mathematics, Alexander Timurko.
Thank you, Rory. Okay. I don't know whether I should speak in English. It looked like we have no floor and participate online, but anyway, let me start my, let's say, not invitation, but a short speech in English. So, first of all, I have a great pleasure to open this traditional conference, which held, as I remember, each 2 years. It's organized by our young mathematician of the Institute of Mathematics of the National Academy of Science. And first of all, I would like to express my hope that the conference will be fruitful and will lead to new interesting problems and new interesting solutions will be delivered. And that's one point. And the second point, I would like to thank to organizer of the conference, which in the spite of very special circumstance or Ukrainian circumstance, in the spite of we are now on almost permanent strikes from aggressor. Anyway, traditional conference is reality. And I hope, as I said, I hope it will be fruitful. And a couple of words or other problem. We were walking through the hall in the lobby and just discussed our situation, mathematics situation in institute. And I would like to pay your attention to very special time for mathematics in the world at all, in human world in the world. I deposit a later declaration about artificial intelligence in mathematics, which was issued yesterday by International Mathematical Union, and who is interested in that may look at our site. And one very interesting thing is that after this declaration, many mathematicians in the world say about human mathematics. Not mathematics at all, but new terminology appears, human mathematics. So that is why I hope this conference will show new results which produced by human mathematicians. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexander Klavich. And next, I would like to give the floor corresponding members of the National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine, leading scientists of Institute of Mathematics, Olena Vanieva.
Thank you. Dear colleagues, dear participants, I want to welcome you at this conference. This conference is special for me because I and my comrades, let's say, which were at that time members of Young Scientist Board of the Institute of Mathematics, renewed this conference after the 40 years of absence. So the story is that once we have found a book of abstracts, which was dated by 1975. And we realized that after 1975, there wasn't such conference held in our institute. So in 2015, we decided to renew this tradition. And this conference became very successful. So I'm very happy that this tradition continues and brings together researchers, young researchers who actually will shape future of Ukrainian mathematics, let's say. So we are truly glad to have you all here, and I wish you to have a very fruitful discussions and successful conference. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexandra. And also now I would like to give the floor. I'm Vice Director of Institute of Mathematics, Vitaly Vasilik. So, Vitaly Bogdanovich, can you say a few words for us?
Well, I wish all the participants very good results, and I hope that this conference will continue your research in different fields. And of course, I wish you all to have a good results in human mathematics. But don't forget about AI methods. They can help you to achieve very good results. I wish you all the best and good job for your conference.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kay. And now we would like to hear our colleagues. It's Chairman of Council of Young Scientists of 2022 and 2025 years, Andriana Plakash.
Good morning, colleagues. It's a pleasure to welcome all of you to this conference, and I'm very happy to see many of young mathematicians and students and researchers gathering here today and online and in institute. And this conference is a great opportunity to share ideas, learn from each other, discuss mathematics, and meet new colleagues. So I would also like to say that despite the difficult situation in Ukraine and difficult curriculum stints in Ukraine, despite the ongoing war and regular error rates, our scientific community continues to work. So teach, learn, and conduct each other. And I hope you will enjoy the talks and have interesting discussion and make some new professional connections between each other. So thanks to Alexandra for opportunity to say something on the opening ceremony, and wish you good luck and a successful and inspiring conference. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you again, all of our guests, all of our speakers, and may someone else would like to say a few words here in Institute or maybe online? Okay. So I wish all participants an interesting, productive, and successful conference. And now we have a little break. So our first offline talk will be at 10:30. So we have a 15 minutes break. Thank you.